Good evening friends. Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss current affairs of May 28, 2021. Top 15 questions and answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Who will be appointed as the next Commerce Secretary of India? Answer. BVR Subramaniam. The Modi government on Thursday brought in the Chief Secretary of Jammu Kashmir BVR Subramaniam as the next Commerce Secretary Government of India upon superannuation of Anup Wadhwan on June 30. More points. BVR Subramaniam is a 1987 batch Chhattisgarh cadre Indian Administration Service officer who is empaneled as secretary in the central government and is experienced with conflict zone administration. He is currently Chief Secretary of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Current Common Secretary is Anup Wadhwan. Second question. Who has been appointed as the new president of NCB? Answer. Jagjit Pavadia. Jagjit Pavadia, former Narcotics Commissioner of India and a retired officer of the Indian Revenue Service, has been elected President of International Narcotics Control Board INCB. More points. International Narcotics Control Board is an independent body responsible for monitoring the control of substances pursuant to the three United Nations Drug Control Conventions and assisting member states in their effort to implement those conventions. Its headquarters is at Vienna, Austria. President is Cornelis P. de Jonchery, founded on 1968. Third question. Who has launched CHAT portal to provide telemedicine? Answer. Rajnath Singh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday launched the services e-health assistance and teleconsultation CHAT portal, which will provide telemedicine services to serving military personnel, veterans and their families. More points. Rajnath Singh is an Indian politician serving as the Defense Minister of India. He is the former president of Bharatiya Janata Party. He has previously served as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and as Cabinet Minister in the Vajpayee government. Ministry of Defense. The Ministry of Defense is charged with coordinating and supervising all agencies and functions of the government relating directly to national security and Indian Armed Forces. Office holders: Rajnath Singh, Minister, and Shripad Naik, Minister of State. Next question. Who has been awarded with Spain's Top Princess of Asturias award recently? Answer. Amartya Sen. Indian economist and Nobel laureate Amartya Kumar Sen has been conferred with Spain's Top Princess of Asturias award in the social science category, the Spanish Prize Foundation announced on Wednesday. More points. Amartya Kumar Sen, CH, is an Indian economist and philosopher who since 1972 has taught and worked in United Kingdom and United States. He was born on 3rd November 1933. Awards received by him: Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science, Bharat Ratna, National Humanities Medal, Johann Skytte Prize in Political Science. Fifth question. When is International Menstrual Hygiene Day observed? Answer. May 28. This day is celebrated to break taboos surrounding menstruation, raise awareness about periods, and understand the importance of good menstrual hygiene management worldwide. Sixth question. Who has been awarded with International ENI Award 2020? Answer. CNR Rao. Bharat Ratna Professor CNR Rao has received the International ENI Award 2020 for his research into renewable energy sources and energy storage, also called the Energy Frontier Award. This is considered to be the Nobel Prize in Energy Research. More points. Chintamani Nagesha Ramachandra Rao, FRS, also known as CNR Rao, is an Indian chemist who worked mainly in solid state and structural chemistry. He has honorary doctorates from 60 universities from around the world and has authored around 1600 research publications and 51 books. Born on 30 June 1934, his age is 86 years in Bangalore. Full name is Chintamani Nagesha Ramachandra Rao. Awards received by him: Bharat Ratna, India Science Award, Karnataka Ratna, etc. Next question. What is the new name of Indian Broadcasting Foundation (IBF) changed recently? Answer: Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation. The Indian Broadcasting Foundation, the apex body of broadcasters, is being renamed Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation as it expands its purview to cover digital platform to bring all digital over the top streaming firms under one roof, it said in a statement. Next question. Which state plans to launch smart kitchen scheme for the citizen? Answer: Kerala. Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, announced a secretary-level committee will formulate guidelines and recommendations on implementation of smart kitchen scheme in state to fulfill commitment of LDF. Next question. Aam Aadmi Party has launched Doctor Helpline campaign in which state? Answer: Punjab. Punjab unit of Aam Aadmi Party on Tuesday launched Doctor Helpline campaign to deal with COVID-19 and black fungus mucormycosis infections in state, reported news agency ANI. More about Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Language spoken is Punjabi. Next question. The Mohali International Hockey Stadium has been renamed after whom? Answer: Balbir Singh Sr. Mohali International Hockey Stadium renamed after Balbir Singh Sr. After a 1-year wait. Punjab government finally announced to rename Mohali International Hockey Stadium Sector 63 after triple Olympian and Padma Shri Balbir Singh Sr. Next question. Who has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of Samoa? Answer: Naomi Matafa. Fiami Naomi Matafa is poised to become Samoa's first female Prime Minister after Pacific Nations top court helped break a month-long political impasse that followed a tightly contested election in April. Samoa is a small island. 12th question. Who has authored the book 7 Lessons from Everest Expedition Learnings from Life and Business? Answer: Aditya Gupta. A Delhi-based entrepreneur and mountaineer aims to raise Rs 1 crore for COVID-19 relief from the sale proceeds of his recently released book 7 Lessons from Everest Expedition Learnings from Life and Business. The coffee table book with 350 stunning images spread over 250 pages is written by Aditya Gupta. Next question. Before that, current affairs of Mount Everest. China has cancelled attempt to climb Mount Everest from its sites of the world's highest peak because of fears of importing coronavirus cases from neighboring country Nepal. Second point, Nepalese climber Kami Reta Sherpa scaled Mount Everest for the 25th time on Friday, breaking his own record for the most ascents of the world's highest peak. Third point, Union Minister Kiren Rijiju congratulated Tashi Yangzom on Saturday for successfully scaling Mount Everest and becoming the first Indian woman climber to summit the world's highest peak this year. About Mount Everest, it is the Earth's highest mountain above sea level located in Mahalangur Himal sub-range of Himalayas. 13th question. Which state has topped recipient of FDI in India during financial year 21? Answer, Gujarat. Gujarat was the top recipient of FDI among states with 37% share of total FDI equity inflows, followed by Maharashtra and Karnataka with 27% and 13% respectively. More about Gujarat. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with coastline of 1600 km, most of which lies on Kathiawar Peninsula and a population of 60.4 million. It is the fifth largest Indian state by area, the ninth largest state by population. Its capital is Gandhinagar, population 6.27 crores, according to 2013 reports. Governor Acharya Devrat, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. Points of interest: Gir National Park, Statue of Unity, Somanath Temple. Statue of Unity is the biggest statue in the world. Current affairs, Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved assistance Rs 1000 crore for immediate relief activities in Gujarat after conducting an aerial survey of areas hit by Cyclone Taukte in the state, an official release said. Second point, Union Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated an oxygen manufacturing plant at Kolwada village in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. And third point, Gujarat state has planned to provide 10 lakh tap connection in FY22. 14th question, who has been honored with Biodiversity Award 2020 recently? Answer, Shaji NM. Shaji was conferred the award as he conserves about 200 tuber crops such as greater yam, elephant foot yam, lesser yam, arrowroot, sweet potato, Chinese potato, and colocasia. In his farm, he has received state award 7 times for his contribution. He is a native of Kerala. 15th question, who has become the new president of Ecuador? Answer, Guillermo Lasso. Guillermo Lasso on May 24, 2021 assumed the office of President of Ecuador, thereby becoming the country's first right-wing president in 14 years. Second point, CREO right-wing Guillermo Lasso had won Ecuador's presidential elections 2021 with over 52% of votes against Andres Arauz. More about Ecuador. Ecuador is the country straddling the equator on South America's west coast. Its diverse landscape encompasses Amazon jungles. Capital is Quito. Currency is United States dollar. Population 1.7 crores. This is flag of Ecuador. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.